What's up, YouTube? It's I am Destiny Nicole, and I'm back with another video. If you would like to see how I took her hair from this to this, then stay tuned.
Only broken hearted.
So the first thing I did was wash and deep condition her hair, and right now I'm just spraying on heat protectant.
While I'm lonely, broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over.
I parted her hair into 4 sections, and I'm just using the stretch method.
To know that you don't fall in love overnight. That's why I thought if I took my time, that everything in love would be right. So as soon as I close my eyes, I was saying to love goodbye.
I'm using my Chi Silk Infusion, and I'm going to take about a quarter size in my hand, and I'm just going to put that all throughout her hair before I straighten it.
I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. No more empty conversation. Next time I will be totally sure. Oh, don't want the pain of falling in out of love. It's more than my whole heart should know. So I listen to all advice and remember each time I cry. But I guess I'm only broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. But as soon as I close my eyes, I remember each time I cry. Oh, never thought I'd be alone again. That's why I asked you to be my best friend. Don't you know you're always on my mind? I think about you all the time. I'm lonely, broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again.
Now that I'm done straightening, I'm just going to go through it and clip her ends. I'm literally only cutting off what's needed.
It's a hurting thing to get over. Da, 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 da. I'm broken hearted. Da, 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 da. Only broken hearted, life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over.
I'm young, but I'm wise enough to know that you don't fall in love overnight. That's why I thought if I took my time, that everything in love would be right.
So as soon as I close my eyes, I was saying to love goodbye. But I guess I'm only broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. No more empty conversation. Next time I will be totally sure. Don't want the pain of falling in love. It's more than my whole heart should know.
So I listen to all advice and remember each time I cry.
But I guess I'm only broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. But as soon as I close my eyes,
And I remember each time I cry.
oh, never thought I'd be alone again. That's why I asked you to be my best friend. Don't you know you're always on my mind? I think about you all the time. I'm lonely, broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. Da, 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 da.
I'm broken hearted. Oh,
And that is it. That is all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Broken hearted, life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely. Broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over.
I'm young, but I'm wise enough to know that you don't fall in love overnight. That's why I thought if I took my time, that everything in love would be right.